Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at litera capa. Litera capa. Letter capa. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is capa or ca. The pronunciation is like K in sky. Sky. Now, the target vocabulary for this lesson is kilogram, kilometru, kilovolt. Let's see what do these words mean. Kilogram, kilogram, kilogram. Kilometru, kilometru, kilometer. Kilovolt, kilovolt, kilovolt. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Am cumpărat un kilogram de mere. Am cumpărat un kilogram de mere. I bought 1 kilogram of apples. Am făcut un kilometru cu bicicleta. Am făcut un kilometru cu bicicleta. I rode 1 kilometer on my bike. Un kilovolt înseamnă 1000 de volți. Un kilovolt înseamnă 1000 de volți. 1 kilovolt equals 1000 volts. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!